Tamara B here from Little Bit of Coin, and today I want to go over Builderall, what it is, how much it is. I've been using it for 3 years myself. I'm actually a certified partner, and I've been with the company for like 3 years. So it's awesome, and they just had a huge, big update in 2020 to make it basically incomparable for what you get. Like there's 30 online marketing tools. In comparison, and on my website I show you, I looked up what competitors charge per tool, and literally you could save like $20,000 a year. That's crazy. Okay, so as I said, it's an all-in-one marketing platform. So it has 30 different tools, including website builder and email autoresponder. And then this is their new builder, website and sales funnel builder, Cheetah, which is literally the fastest on the planet. This is just a little pingdom. You can do it yourself. And this is a big site, and it loads in half a second, less than half a second. And this is on mobile. Super important nowadays to have mobile responsive and to be fast. Google loves both of those things. So anything you build on the Cheetah website builder, it's going to be both of those. So these are the 30, I think it's 30, might even be more now, because that's the beauty of Builderall. It is always evolving and getting bigger and better and faster and all that jazz. So this is, like I said, some of the tools. So if you want to see one in action, you would just kind of click on here for each of the tools, and you'll get a little video showing it in action. Okay, so try and go a little bit slower here. Yeah, and the email marketing, this alone makes it worthwhile with the website builder, because depending on what plan you get, we have 5 different plans now, including a free plan. So I'll go over that in a sec. But you can get up to unlimited email subscribers and sending emails, which is crazy. I mean, the most expensive plan, which is the premium plan, that gets you all of these tools. That's only $69 a month. Now, for just email marketing, if you look at all the other ones, Aweber, GetResponse, for unlimited, you're looking at, I mean, hundreds and hundreds of dollars a month, if not thousands. So that alone it's worth it. But like I said, you get all these other tools, like I said, depending on your plan. But if we're talking about the premium plan, you get all of this. Also to note, for most of the plans, except for the free plan, you get free SSL certificates, which is for all your domains. And I mean, for just one domain on GoDaddy, I think it's like $100 a year. So there you go. Alrighty. So it's great for any online business to generate leads, generate sales, create events. Now, this is also unique. It's our Canvas funnel builder. So you can actually see, you can use our templates. We have templates for all these, or create your own, and then you can add OTOs, downsells, more than one product in your sales funnel, and they all include our super safe, super checkout system too. So yeah, this is kind of just showing you a bit more of the Canvas funnel builder. And like I said about the emails, there's 300 dedicated servers. So also really important to have an eye in high inbox rate. Plus we now have an email editor too. So same kind of thing. If you have a sequence of emails, you can set those all up and see them pretty easily. So you get all these tools in your dashboard, one dashboard. So it saves you going from tool to tool to tool, All right, so now let's have a look at the pricing plans. Okay. So it's a bit slow because I'm recording my screen. All right. So these are the plans. And so this is going to be changed. You're going to get 100 leads in the free email leads in the free account. They're just changing it probably today. And 500 leads in this account. Excuse me. So for the free account, it's incredible that they're offering this for free. Again, this is new for 2020. So you're going to get access to that fast website builder, unlimited subdomains. The only thing with the I'm not sure if you can. Yeah, you just can't have your own custom domains. So basically, it'll be something like Builderall, and then whatever email you signed up with, that will kind of be your domain, if you know what I mean. And then you'll have subdomains. So that's, but I mean, for free, that's crazy because you can also use link shorteners like Bitly or something like that, if that's the case. Okay, so you get all this with the free account. Right, so you can't say fairer than that for free. And then basically, yeah, you just have to, like I said, I really recommend you getting the 2-week free trial, no credit card needed, because that gives you the premium count. So all of the tools like over here, right? And then after that, you can then choose which plan you would like, what works for you. So that's just kind of showing you the difference in the plans, what you get. All right. And then I'm briefly going to just touch on, which again is new for 2020. You can also become a Builderall affiliate for free, which is awesome. So that means basically you get 100% commissions on your first sale, and then 30% commissions monthly recurring on any plan, obviously except for the free plan. There's no money. And also the beauty of it is that, well, A, it's free. B, you just have to sell a couple accounts and your account's paid for. So you'll be able to use Builderall for free. I mean, I've been with, like I said, for years, and I've been paid for my Builderall membership for years because I have affiliates. All right. And then it's also basically, it's 2 tiers. So, there's basically, I'll show you my dash, but there's free done for you sales funnels promoting Builderall, like, so there's different ones, so you can choose, and they're coming out a bunch of new ones this year too. So literally, it already has your affiliate link in there. You just have to send traffic to it, basically. All right, and then this is, so 100% and then 30%. But then even better is basically, so you join Builderall, like I said, for free as an affiliate, and then anyone you bring in, you're going to get 100% on the first sales, and then 30% monthly. But then any people you bring in who decide to be an affiliate as well, you'll get 30% of any sales they bring in. So that's what they call it, a 2-tier. So that is awesome passive income coming because we have a very high retention rate as well. All right, I'm going to do a separate affiliate one, but show you the earnings simulator in my separate affiliate, Builderall affiliate video, which I will do soon. I'll put a link up at the end of this video to that. Okay, and then this is inside my dashboard. So once you join, this will probably be empty, and then all you have to do is down here is install new tools, and then you pick the tools. I mean, again, obviously depends on your plan, what tools will be available to you. But we're just going to go back there. Okay. There's my cat. Okay, and then again here, if you need any, the trading on each, for each app, you just hit here trading, and a bunch of videos will come up. So everything you need is inside your dashboard, basically. And then if you just want a quick view of the apps, there's all 30 of the apps, because like I said, I'm on a premium account. So depending on your account, it'll show your tools kind of thing. And you can, move up a level in your plan if you want, or move down a level, whenever you like. We also have the 30-day money back guarantee. So there's nothing to worry about, basically. And then I'm just going to, that was what I did earlier. So if you come over to littlebitofcoin.com, we can set you up with, like I said, the free trial, which I'd recommend because it's for the premium plan, so you get it all 30 tools. And then decide your plan, or you can just go straight for the free plan. It's totally up to you, or any of the other plans. Like I said, there's 5 now to choose from. And then I'm just going to show you about my bonuses. And also oh, there's my cat. Archie. Okay. So here is your bonuses, which I put these together because you can, like, so many bonuses are just crap and they don't really correlate with the product you're promoting. But I thought these would be really good for you. So you get these are all video courses. So SEO, because you really need to search engine optimize, but we have great SEO tools in Builderall as well, which will help you. Freelance video course. So just teaching the many ways you can use Builderall to make an online income. And also website design video course. This is going to help you design websites. I mean, we have hundreds of video tutorials in Builderall, but this is going to really help you on designing good websites. So that's almost $600 in bonuses. Now here's the price comparison. So this is based on getting this $69 premium plan. So if you get a free plan, obviously not getting all the tools, but it's free. So, but yeah, so this is what our competitors charge, and I did look them all up. Okay. And there's now on the 2 of the plans, you can also, so say you already have a WordPress site. Well, you just download or use the plugin Updraft, download your whole WordPress site, and then you can start a brand new WordPress site in 3 clicks with Builderall, and then upload all of your WordPress site, connect your same domain, and then now you're going to have your hosting, your SSL certificates, your WordPress site, easily to edit through Builderall, just like normal, all included. So that is, I think, pretty awesome, because I know a lot of people use WordPress. Okay, so basically there we go. All the tools. There's like chatbots, you name it. Basically, we got it. So that basically is over $20,000 a year if you got all these tools from our competitors, because you'd have to get them all separately. I also have a Facebook group which you can join just clicking here. And like I said, I just talked about that. And yeah, so there you go. A few testimonials. And as I was saying earlier, you can also join for free weekly live training with our CEO, as well as other top entrepreneurs that are going to teach you all about digital marketing. We're just going to take a topic per week and go through it. So if you join here, let's see, it should bring you up so I can show you. And in case you can't make it live, so the beauty of it live is you can you can ask your questions and get them answered live, because it's in a Zoom. So you can have your microphone, you can have your camera. If you don't want to be on camera, that's fine too. There's nowhere else like this that offers this for free. All right, and then so these are just some of the the topics that they're going to be over per week. And like, as I was saying earlier, if you miss a week, you can't be there live. Then once you've joined, you'll be able to sign in and then watch recorded videos from the week before, or whatever like that. Obviously, you can't ask questions live there, but you can in our Facebook groups. Okay, so, and if you do just join this, you'll also get your free Builderall account this way too. All right, so hope to see you a little bit at coin.com with my bonuses. As soon as I see you in my Builderall dashboard, then I will email you your bonuses. Okay, and stay tuned for the affiliate program. So I'll go over that in a little bit more detail and show you some of the sales funnels we've got built already. Okay, so that's a wrap. A like and a subscribe would be awesome, and I will see you soon. All right, have a great one. Cheers.